In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete transaction history on the Bank of America app. Now, before we dive into the steps, it's important to note that while you cannot permanently delete transactions from your account history, you can manage how you view them, which can help reduce clutter or focus on what you most need to see. So let's walk through some essential steps to manage your transactions better. First, you'll want to open your Bank of America app. Once you've launched the app, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so either with Face ID or by entering your secure passcode. This will give you access to your account's main dashboard. After logging in, find and tap on the Accounts section. This area will present you with a list of all your accounts, and you'll want to choose the specific account that holds the transactions you're interested in viewing or managing. Once you are in the account of choice, scroll down until you see a section labeled Activity, or it might be shown as Transactions. This takes you to your most recent transaction list, where you can see the details of each transaction that has taken place on your account. Now, to refine what you're seeing, look for the small filter or search icon, usually depicted by a magnifying glass. Tapping on this icon will allow you to customize your view of the transactions. You have the option to apply different filters, which can hide certain transactions from immediate view or help narrow down search results. Next, select the date range or transaction type you wish to focus on. For instance, if you are interested only in transactions from the last month or perhaps a particular type like dining or utilities, you can define these parameters within this filtering feature. It's a powerful tool to help manage your transaction viewing experience more efficiently. Lastly, if needed, you have the option to review or export your account statement. While actual transactions cannot be erased from your history, you can download a PDF version of your statement. This can be particularly useful if you need a hard copy for documentation or personal records. Simply follow the prompts to create and download this statement directly from the app. So there you have it. Managing your transaction history on the Bank of America app, made simple by adjusting your viewing preferences and exporting statements at need. While you can't delete transactions entirely, these steps should help you keep a clear view of what's important. Happy banking!